your soul is tied to your treasure. Do not think that you can go through this life loving one thing, loving video games or whatever your treasure is, and think, it's okay, I prayed the prayer, I don't need to make Jesus my number one thing in life. I did the thing that Jesus wanted me to do. Now I will go do what I really want to do. The sad thing is if you go do what you really want to do and what you really want to do isn't Christ, then you don't have Christ. Where your treasure is, there your heart will be also. Where is your heart at today?
Then we can rejoice that we're pawns in His purposes, that we are pieces of the puzzle. What a privilege, what grace and mercy that I, insignificant, numbered among billions, would be an instrument to glorify God. That didn't have to happen.
Jesus spoke His church into existence. She is formed by the Word. When a local church lives as a local creature of the Word, she is matured as she worships, lives in community, serves, multiplies. This is a healthy church family. How beautiful the creature the Lord forms.
The name of